Hello everyone. I'm very glad to introduce Hereford's X960B real-time PCR. So this is our real-time PCR. It is special designed for the clinical test for the coronavirus COVID-19. So X960B is equipped with 4 channels. So according to the WHO, if you detect coronavirus COVID-19, there are 3 basic genes you have to detect. And so there are 3 channels. And another channel is reserved for your reference genes in different kits. So basically it is compatible with the commercial available PCR, RT-PCR kits around the world from different producers. And beside the kits and reagents, it is also compatible with different consumables, different PCR tips, different type of tips. So it is basically an open system. So it has an innovative optical design. So the equipment is equipped with the LED light source, which has a long lifetime. It excited the fluorescent probes in each tube and collect the signals with the CCD. So it is very unique design for this system. So I open this lid, you can see inside is 96 wheel, a golden plating block. It has a high efficiency for the heating and cooling function. So it has high RAM rate. The maximum RAM rate can be up to 5 degrees Celsius per second. So it saves you valuable lab time. So we have to do some tests comparing to some other brands with the same protocols. Hereford's X960B can run faster, more efficient, and have better results for the same experiment. So I close the lid, and you can change the position for the tips, for different consumables. You can change that. So you close it, and this equipment can connect it to your laptop or your computer with line or Wi-Fi. So it's more convenient for you to get your experiment data. So we have a special design here. So you put the Windows pad here, and you can connect it to this machine with Wi-Fi. So you can read and download all the data through your pad. So it's very unique design here. And this equipment is built as a Linux system and has powerful chips. So we have very special design with all the body is aluminum, and its design is very good and modern and fashion. So this is basically the hardware of this equipment. Then we will look at the software, and you are going to know how we can detect the coronavirus COVID-19 with this real-time PCR.